Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the Throbe effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then we're going to scroll to find the Throbe effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're just going to take a look at it, right? Okay, so we know that it pulses. We're going to bring it to the beginning of the, well actually towards the end of the clip when we have the little miss of catch right here by my sister. And we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the filter, strength, glow, and range of the effect, and also add keyframes, and we have a video on that as well. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.